welcome back on Sunday Night Show. We get Paul play IK Diary for inside studio. I'm not gonna give you. You get one song where I remember now. I don't know that song where I tell you I go like me. I mean, if you sing that. That's that one. What should they sing?
Oh, hear voice, Nedu. Chai.
Hi, Jesus.
Chai.
Baba murore ninu ayimi ayimi dara mo wa dupe.
Yo, come go. Oh, wa dupe. That's falsetto. You know go. Now,
somebody say sorry. I love in song. I think say an American guy sing am. Yeah.
Hey,
Angel of my life.
Angel of my life. Oh, mostly an American guy sing am. Now, man, Samuel. Hey, Georgina, na woman. Samuel and Georgina can be her son name.
You never know. I can be the woman. No, it can be a man.
How man could be Georgina? Georgina George na man. Georgina na woman.
Nedu ba don't so for say I contempt now. A woman I get Polly now.
Paulina.
Now. Polly get a woman. It can be man or woman.
Okay. Well, plus more ask you now. What's in be the new thing where they now, because people now don't see you back into the scene again. Now I'm sure a lot of people when they watch now they wonder why Paul play surface again. Why don't wait for a while? Yes. Why in surface again? Waiting day.
Because the people way they like that kind of music where they do, and all agree me rest. Every time you say, what's in the happen now? I don't say we enjoy this bang thing, but your own kind of music is missing in the industry. Why not come back? So for those people who still feel that, well, they want to listen to that kind of music, now I can say, okay, make I come out. But as I come out now, I need to come back with something we like what I do last before I come out. So, and I know, say, the kind of fans we I get, not be only Nigeria. Then they Ghana, then they South Africa, then this Tanzania, Zimbabwe, outside Nigeria, so outside Africa. So, it no go good. Make I go enter higher life like that.
Yeah.
You know, so as I don't come back now with this one called Full in Love. I'm not necessarily say I like. Now I like it. I mean, love. I still believe say love exists.
Love did.
Although some people try to kill love with music, but me I try to revive love with music.
Okay.
So as I don't do this Full in Love now, after that, all those things when I talk about this high life music, we be rich. Me, I call them Panwai music. You see, Panwai music is the 60s. This is for Campbell, for Lagos, those days. That kind of music, we say they play with guitar and they play with.
You carry your stool. You come and sit down, call your mommy, say, "Sweet girl, come and sit with me." You are drinking some pan.
Hello, Chijoke.
And chewing some, land and sea animals.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Chijoke, good evening. Would they hear you? Where's Cindy?
Thank you, Cindy.
How are you doing?
I did fine. Are you with me?
I'm with you, my brother.
I'm going to talk to Paul IK Diary.
Popular, they greet you.
Good evening, sir.
My brother, but that music we play put me for trouble.
Ah.
I did just like, but where I did Lagos, where I did be down Malay Junction. That your music, we did one Calabar where we did that music put for trouble.
What happened? Chijoke, tell us what happened.
My brother, I don't lie you. That girl, the way I pursue the girl, I don't forget the girl, but now the music I take it again.
How you can't put you for trouble?
My brother, I don't lie. I'm not married. That girl today, I still look for him. I know about him now.
Hey!
Who said me you let them go in the first place?
Who said me you let them go?
I'm not gonna lie you. I'm not gonna lie. When I leave Lagos, but I've been grown for Malay Junction.
Hey!
I don't leave Lagos. I can't just now. But the girl, I'm not gonna lie you. That girl with the music, I never did with the girl. The music, that music is on my head for Lagos.
All right, Chijoke, thank you very much. Thank you. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, hello.
Hey, my brother, how is it, Chris?
Fine, I did fine. Nedu.
Sir, how is you? How is your ministry?
Nah, my ministry is on the permanent site.
Hallelujah, somebody.
I'm from Kitty, I'm not watching Chum, or the Tarayana, Wabuzuna village. We name ever. The Shona, one to get on a little penny in there, but you one wire.
I want to go down to Anwanga Tutu. I want
Yeah, when I hear music, I'm regular. Oh, the music and Colombia, my wife.
Hey, it's not the music you take toasting wife.
Oh, that's good.
And your wife, your wife did there with you?
He inside follow. Yeah, they outside.
Go give her phone. Go inside room. Go back room now. Go back your room. Go give your wife phone.
Okay, just wait for me now.
Go.
If first I'm waiting in the outside in the first place.
Madam.
No, not lie. Not lie.
Madam, talk the truth.
I never even know the music playing. I never even know at all.
But you don't hear the music now.
Okay.
Yes. The music is wonderful. I love the music.
But you don't remember the music when it tells you that time.
Even like say you hide that day.
Maybe he don't shy the day when he play the music for me, but for me, no be the music in music.
Which music in call you?
When they meet.
He don't use any music,
Yeah.
Okay, when I meet? Talk my sister, you wanna meet now?
I don't feel remember.
Why you don't remember when they use it? I beg you, give her the phone, John. Chris, you are too much. Bye, thank you. You don't remember. Anyway, for this new song where you get, Full in Love. We can watch the new video from the new song where Paul Ike play Dairo get. Full in Love. When we come back, we'll continue it till on top of the night show. We Paul play Ike Dairo. Will they come?
No.
This girl won't call the same that same girl we did for Angel of My Life.
I don't know.
So which one be this one? What will be her name?
This one I model for London.
And I was not shoot finished too. This one can't go.
Me too can't go.
You can't go.
Yes, no,
Can't come back.
Yes, that's it.
Like that. Why you see that Jesus Christ? That guy with the same Jesus Christ. Listen, that guy with the same Jesus Christ. The picture. Tell us about the song. What's be the story about the song?
This song is about say when people, even when we dey young and you get the way we take fall in love with woman, you go begin to do some crazy things where your parents go say, why you go do that kind of thing? You know, sometimes you go do some things. I remember a friend of mine where we say when we did school like that, they toast my cousin. He can't write letters. Say, we can give my cousin, put 15 naira inside.
You can't collect the 15 naira. I said, what sharp guy?
Now my cousin opened it. They said, this guy is a fool.
Oh, God. Oh.
So you do all kinds of things with it. You know that when they're young.
No, I know. I don't
When
know.
they spray perfume for leather.
No, me. Now when I become adult, now I begin to do they do fellowship. I'm not really. Now, for people who want to get this song, why don't we get this your song now?
Yeah.
They can get it on MTN platform.
Okay, MTN platform.
Yeah, you know they can get it. So
That's the best platform.
Okay.
They get it on MTN platform. You get other platforms as well. And it's just a single that is out. The album is going to be out in November.
Okay.
And
Another one they come out for November.
Another song will come out this month.
Another one they come out this month. Oh, boy, you don't vex. Hello, our last caller. You don't vex. Hello. Praise from Makurdi, Kano, Nigeria. Sha. Good evening.
Good evening.
Oh, Praise. How about you? Praise.
How about you?
How far?
So for time you got them, so that see don't know for time you got them now.
Auntie Katy.
See no for time you got them.
That's strange, man. Even I make call me. I call me. Mind to.
Who you are now? Boy, I don't know who you are.
He talks a cutting call.
No, okay. Idiot call. I don't know. You mean time you got your power play?
I will make a yarn with power play.
He didn't hear you.
Good evening, bros.
Talk now.
Hello, Mr. Paul.
Good evening, sir.
Our people know the rush. In case you don't
Good
know.
evening.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
You see
What
if I
you
come.
make you disappear now? Person know
You don't watch the
He
program.
don't come back again, oh yeah.
He don't come back.
Okay, take one you need I new album get November. Hello, the man and young audio. I on the cafe.
The man, praise. The man, praise. Isum dovo. Levanto. Nishon duva.
I just said to him.
Lanjigo. Good night. Bye-bye.
Which language is that?
I have no idea.
Speak Chinese. Oh yeah, we'll read some tweet. Make Paul play feature Chioma Jesus. Katim, the song don't enter your Innocent say when they say music is life, now the kind of Paul play song, don't be the kind of some of these Naija music them. Paul play is one of the all-time best Naija artists, bless him. Paul play, I hear your music, that time when we did school. We use and cash many babe. Respect, keep them up. They don't have family. Making consider Asha. It go nice if Paul play remix and with Tima Savage as in top or Cynthia Morgan.
Give it to me, God forbid. Anyway, for those who want to follow your top social medias, where they go follow you?
You can follow me on Twitter at paulplay_Dairo.
Okay.
On Instagram, paulplay_Dairo.
Okay.
And Facebook at www.facebook.com/paulplay.
Okay. Of course, make you watch out. If you want to download this new song, Full in Love, it's on all MTN platforms.
Still come back. That an album.
Yeah, of course, he go still come back. And then this month again, another song of Paul Play. The guy they vex this time.
He reached to vex.
He vex this time. Anyway, when you come back, he go still come back to the show because we'll not get time to even talk. We'll come back to the show. When we come back to the show, that day we'll go talk plenty talk.
No, we'll take call.
Anyway, all of now we call Cindy from Malaysia. Where are you? Sly from Italy.
Hafsat, where are you on Twitter?
Well, Nade.
Some delicious, Doralicious.
Anyway, double toilet to all of you now, to our producers, K-Mos, K-Solo, Big Bash, Shapali, and then to IzyBeatz, the DJ of the living, and then of course to my sweet baby, and then to the living legend of music, Paul Play IK Darren. Thank you, Bossy.
If you don't just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.